What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today what we have going on is we are working on the Subaru. As you guys can tell, I already removed one of the fenders. Alright, so we already installed one of the wide fenders. It's looking pretty good. I had to do some cuts and minor adjustments, and yeah, but I need to drill. I need to put the one of the screws here and another one for the bottom and to hold that, and that's about it. I'm not so happy with how this one's looking, but it's gonna do it. That's just the way it came out. So probably have to push. Now that's just the way it is, I guess. So I put two screws there already, one there and another one there. So pretty much I'm gonna be working on fixing the timing this thing too later on today. We're gonna put a banner on the Subaru just like this one. I don't know if you guys seen. I don't remember on putting this on any of the blogs. So yeah, this one, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw my friend Nismo putting this one on. So he's gonna do the same thing on the Subaru, even though it's not running. I stopped working on the fenders because he's here and he's gonna take care of the banner. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera and update you guys. But I am going to be working on the Subaru more. Like I said, I'm gonna do the timing and finish it, get it running. There's a car meet going on, Cars and Coffee, on the 13th of March, and I want to be there and I want to drive the Subaru. So yeah, pretty much. Alright, so the homie already left. He finished the banner. It looks so clean. Bearings. So that's going to be the new, of course, the new clothing brand. As I showed you guys, still working on the Subaru. As I showed you guys before, I did it exactly the same. Well, he did it exactly the same as the Beamer. So, bearings. Wait for that. I'm still waiting for the guy to hit me up. So I can go pick up my merchandise and yeah. So right now I'm working still on the Subaru. Like I said, I'm gonna remove this fender and put the other fender on there. Although I did want to work on the Subaru more, like get it running, but I'm just gonna get one of my homies to come and do it for me, because honestly what do you call it, I'm just lagging it, to be honest. So dude, focus. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get my homie to do it. So fuck it, it is what it is. I'm gonna pay him so he can finish it, get it running for me. Meanwhile, I'm not at home, so when I come home, it's running already. So that's the update. Let me get this fender out and install the new one. So yeah, I forgot to say, shout out to my homie. If you guys need anything, you guys are local, Santa Cruz County, Monterey County, hit him up. Wraps, badass dude, like fucking sick. He does clean as wraps. I'm sure he's well known here in the area. So if you guys need any wrap, anything you guys need, banners, stickers, here's the man. UM wraps, UM decals. So make sure you hit him up. Shout out to the homie for hooking it up for both of them, for both of the cars. And yeah, like I said, let me just get back to working on the fenders. Alright, so last night I finished the fenders. I had a big hustle or problem trying to make them fit flush, but it looks a little bit decent. And of course this one looks way better than the other side, and it's lining up pretty good with the hood. And yeah, this side is chipped, and right here is just a huge gap, so I have to fill that up, fill this one up. But it looks so good, dude. Of course I'm getting rid of this hood, and yeah, big shout out to my homie for coming through and hooking it up with the banner. Same as the Beamer. Well, just running late to go work, so I'll catch or pick up the camera another day. Alright, so it's been like a week already since I've done the fender swap on this car, or the fender install. And we have bad news for my brother. His truck is down. His motor blew up, and he's just replaced it, what, like about 6 months ago or a little bit more. So he ended up getting a new motor, rebuild motor, and we're gonna get this one out. So I'm gonna help him out, and he's been doing it most of the work himself throughout the week, and because I'm at work, so he's done most of it. I'm just here to remove. I'm gonna remove the manifold. We're gonna take it out on parts. We're gonna remove first the heads, and then pull out the bottom block. That's just because we don't have an engine hoist, and we're gonna have to drop the other motor. Alright, so we already removed the throttle body manifold right there. It was a nightmare, but we got it done. Now my brother's removing the valve cover, because we're gonna remove the heads, and I think we just gotta remove the AC condenser or the AC pump, whatever you guys call it, and detach it from the transmission. Well, it's only like 1 or 2 bolts that is holding it on the transmission, and that's about it pretty much. I'll update you guys once this thing is out, and then we assemble the other one. Let's see where the problem is. Like if I know where the problem is, right? No,
head gasket,
it's head gasket. You see the chocolate milk sitting there, water and oil. But technically the motor lost compression after, and it just went bad. So wasn't it the main bearings went out? The bearings went out, so lost compression. All right, so we're gonna pull it out again. My brother's gonna try this time. There was only 1 bolt holding it from there, and pull it up there. Be careful. Sheesh. He's out. I'm gonna take it over there. Yeah. We're putting everything on the back of the truck as we go, and we're gonna assemble this thing back together. Take it back and get some money out of it. Now, let's check it out. As you guys can tell, it's water, oil here, and look at the back cylinder. It's pretty much gone.
Welcome to our vlog. We are at O'Hare Airport.
No. Welcome back to my blog. They're on my blog.
On the Bangkok.
No, I'm just playing. Yeah, well, we're gonna remove this. We're gonna detach it from the transmission, and we're just gonna pull it out. Since, like I said earlier, we don't have an engine hoist. But yeah, the head gasket went out, and pretty much you can see a lot of rust on the edges. of the cylinder walls right here. A lot of rust. Yeah, it was hidden, so everything went to shit. Anyways, let's get it out.
Let's get it out.
All right, so we took out the bottom block already. It was so ghetto. We used we used these tubes. What do you call it? The jack tubes. So yeah, we have the block here, and we have the heads right here. We removed the oil pan, of course, because we're gonna reuse it. But look at all that metal shaving there. So yeah, it was pretty bad. It was already a bad motor. They said they replaced it with a newer motor rebuild, but this shit don't look like a rebuilt motor to me. And of course, full of oil all over. And like I said previously, he just swapped it. He just swapped it about 6 months ago, and this is how it looks. So this rod doesn't come out. Okay, it's called rod. I don't know. It's a bolt for me. This one has so much carbon built on it. You guys can see that. And this one is pretty much soaked in oil. This one as well. And we got these is dry somewhat, and this is soaked as well. So we already removed the flywheel, which is sitting right here. Flywheel, clutch, and we need to get new pieces or new parts. We got bearings, we got gaskets ready to go, and we're just gonna clean this up a little bit and then swap everything over. All right guys, so this is it for this video. This is it for this video. I had to throw the Subaru footage on this video and also this one, combine them together because it's not I didn't finish vlogging on the Subaru when I was installing the fenders. So yeah, pretty much this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and of course turn your bell notification when you subscribe so you guys are the first one to watch the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissecting me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, full bitches and readily, rule rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.